Very simple lang guys. If you are not taking action, you are procrastinating, then there's something is holding you back. What it is, I don't know. Maybe because your fear na baka anong sabihin ng ibang tao. That could be one. Or may fear ka na paano kung hindi bumenta. Or may fear ka na paano kung bumenta to ng malaki, umasenso ko, yumaman ako, maging masama akong tao. Believe it or not guys, our mind is crazy about coming up with all the crazy fear ideas that will help us. Ganun ang isip ng tao. Trust me. I've worked with a lot of people. I consume a lot of information. And like, you won't believe our mind coming up with all this crazy idea just for us to take action. Because fear is like the fundamentals of them all. Fear is the common denominator. Yan talaga yung base. Pag afraid ka, there is no coach, there is no mentor, there is no training, there is nothing can make you take action pag afraid ka. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.